Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Lock Cylinder installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. To complete this repair, you do not need to remove the steering wheel. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the battery before beginning the installation. Start by removing the bottom shroud mounting screws. Gently pry the upper and lower shrouds apart from one another and remove them from the column. Next, remove the ignition lock rubber surround ring. Remove the courtesy bulb by twisting it counterclockwise and pulling it from the illumination ring. Remove the micro switch retaining screw located on top of the lock cylinder. Then, use a small screwdriver or similar tool to pry off the illumination ring. Gently disconnect the micro switch from the lock. Remove the ignition lock retaining screw. Note: this screw may be either an Allen or Phillips head. Turn the ignition to the accessory position and press in the release button using a pick or similar tool. With the release button depressed, pull the lock from the column. To install the lock cylinder, turn it to the accessory position and press it fully into the column. Reassemble the column by following these steps in reverse order.